Westfield uses several financial planning tools, and a bond referendum is one of them. That's because selling bonds would provide upfront funding for long-term improvements like building additions. It can also qualify Westfield for a special kind of state aid. The state of New Jersey has committed millions of dollars in financial aid toward these proposed projects. Continual repairs and renovations are always part of our annual operating budget. But we don't get this kind of aid for projects accomplished through that budget. That's why bond funding is the most economical way to afford large and necessary capital needs, such as heating and cooling improvements and restroom renovations.
And this debt service aid comes from the state's annual budget, a funding source every taxpayer already pays into. That's right, the critical advantage of state aid would bring taxpayer funds back to Westfield. Investment in long-term solutions can ensure safe, modern learning spaces that truly support the needs of students and staff.